Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the sound volumes on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this. Now let's swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now swipe down to scroll up through the list and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sound and vibration. Tap on it. And here we have ring volume, AI voice volume, and we can adjust the volumes by tapping on one to select it, for example, ring volume. Here we have a slider, and we can adjust the volume by swiping up and down on the slider, or just using the crown, basically rotating it to adjust the volume. And once you're done, simply press the crown button to go back, or swipe right on the screen to go back, like this. Now let's tap on AI voice volume, my bad. And here we can again adjust it by swiping up or down on the slider, or using the crown, like that, and swipe right to go back. Once you're done, you can also press the crown button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volumes on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.